Good evening. Hello. All right. You guys should be happy because it's really not raining right now. So the sooner we get started, maybe the quicker we get out of here before it starts pouring down. Like, I know you're happy about that. All right. This is a code enforcement hearing for the city of North Miami. Today is June 7th, 2017, and I am Beatrice Kessel, Special Magistrate for the city of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at your property, as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of the city. If the city is not able to prove its case, then I will dismiss the case and you may leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore, all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time to ensure that all testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have a translator who will assist you during the proceedings. When your case is called, the property owner, agent for the property owner, and any witness that you may have should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, please speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your business or mailing address, and your relationship to the property. If you are not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you must present a notarized power of attorney affidavit in order for your testimony to be taken on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you will be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that is being heard today. And do you understand what is required to resolve the violation? Please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and then the property owner and or violator will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence and photographs, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I will issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of city codes exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I will set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved. Or, for repeat violations, I will impose a daily fine amount. For new, non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation not be resolved by the abatement date. If I find sufficient cause to postpone enforcement action at this time, I will table this case proceeding to another hearing date in the future. If you do not agree with my finding of facts and or ruling, then the property owner may appeal the administrative order on the case to the circuit court. An appeal must be filed within 30 days of the date of the execution of the administrative order to be appealed. In accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by the special magistrate with respect to any matter considered in these proceedings, then the person will need a verbatim record of the proceeding. This record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the appeal is to be based. The cost of obtaining the verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the appellant, and it is recommended that persons who plan to appeal their case should provide their own court reporter at these proceedings. Pursuant to city codes, if the city of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before the special magistrate, the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. The current cost assessment amount is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against the property, then the city will charge additional administrative fees to record and release the lien. If you are present today and will be given testimony on a case, please rise and raise your right hand so the officer can administer the oath.
You're going to be speaking on a case, please stand up so you can be sworn in. You're going to be speaking on a case up here. Do you swear or affirm, raise your right hand, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, say I do. I do. You guys may be seated. That's for the translators. Tell me to sit. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you're about to give in these proceedings will be accurate and correct to the best of your knowledge, skill, and ability?
the pledge? Want to do the pledge?
Please stand up, place your hand on your chest, face the flag so we can do the pledge. Everyone, please stand up. Get her to stand up. Sir. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please announce for the record if there are any additions, corrections, and/or deletions to the hearing agenda.
Good evening. The deletions are as follow. Item number 1, MHVI 02016-01177. And item number 2, MHVI 02016-01178. And item number 3, MHVI 02016-01179. Agumart Group LLC complied. Item number 4, CEBPR 2017-0048. And item number 5, CEZPU 2017-0020. Alamgir Hassan, postponed. Item number 8, CEODS 2017-0067. Alfredo Tristan, complied. Item number 9, CEEXP 2016-00488. Alicia Torres, complied. Item number 11, CEPFR 2017-00281. Amelis Lejor, complied. Item number 17, CEIVY 2017-00097. Angelina Paul, complied. Item number 18, CEPFY 2017-00287. Anthony Vinay, complied. Item number 20, CEBPR 2017-0051. Orivello, complied. Item number 21, CEODS 2017-0061. Arnold Norellis, complied. Item number 24, item number 25, and item number 26, CELBR 2017-0016. CEPFY 2017-00297. And CERCV 2017-0048. Bertha Aladdin, complied. Item number 28, CEIVY 2017-00061. Carlos Calvero, complied. Item number 29, CEMIS 2017-00023. Carmel Jasmine, complied. Item number 30, CEEXP 2017-00053. Carolyn Williams, complied. Item number 33, CEEXP 2017-00012. Claudette Joseph, complied. Item number 34, CEPFY 2017-00289. Corrad Cooper, complied. Item number 37, CEBPR 2016-00088. Darrell Bryan, complied. Item number 39, CEEXP 2017-00094. Diane Harden, postponed. Item number 40, item number 41, 42. CEIVY 2017-0076. CEODS 2017-0053. And CEPFY 2017-00196. E.A. Samuel, postponed. Item number 43, CEBPR 2017-0050. Eddie and Elda Derville, complied. Item number 44, CEPFY 2017-00232. Eddie Demorville, complied. Item number 45, CEJNK 2017-00029. Eddie Toussaint, complied. Item number 49, CEPFY 2017-00123. Eden, complied. Item number 50, CEIVY 2017-00090. Edric Brown, complied. Item 51, CESOD 2017-0005. Elude Torres, complied. Item number 52, CESOD 2016-0023. Emilio Almonte, complied. Item number 53, CENUS 2017-00037, Emilio Goulion, complied. Item number 55, CEIVY 2017-00098, Inivert Pouliard, complied. Item number 57, CEPFY 2017-00171, Eric D. Grindorilla, complied. Item number 58, CEEXP 2017-0080, Eric Zinko, complied. Item number 59, CEIVY 2017-00104, Etta P. Humphrey, complied. Item number 61, CEPFY 2017-00308, Fabian Frage, complied. Item number 62, CEODS 2017-0068, Fidi Ann Gel Richardson, complied. Item number 63, CEWWC 2017-00008, Figueres, complied. Item number 64, CEMIS 2017-0022, Fritz Ambrose, complied. Item number 66, CEBPR 2017-00062, Fritz Nicholas, complied. Item number 67, CEMIS 2017-0015, Gabriella, complied. Item number 68, CEPFY 2017-00267, George Frye, complied. Item number 69, CEPFY 2017-00298, Gerald Joseph, complied. Item number 71, CEIVY 2017-0091, Ghislaine Antoine, complied. Item number 72 and item number 73, CESTA 2017-0002 and CESTR 2017-0004, Goloski, postponed. Item number 74, CEPFY 2017-00151, Hanoi Goulian, complied. Item number 75, CEPFY 2017-00291, Helen Diaz, complied. Item number 76, CEPFY 2017-00330, Immacula Charles. Oh, that one remains on the agenda.
Okay.
Item number 77, CEZPU 2017-0030, Islandi Galali, complied. Item number 78, CEIVY 2017-00105, Jacqueline Marceline, complied. Item number 79, CEIVY 2017-0075, Jean Gary Joseph, complied. Item number 80, CEPFY 2017-00193, Jean Gary Joseph, complied. Item number 81, CEMIS 2017-0021, Jean Joseph, complied. Item number 85, CEIVY 2017-0073, Jean Joseph St. George's, complied. Item number 86, CEIVY 2017-00102, Jean Berry, complied. Item number 87, CEODS 2017-0065, Jean Ronald Godada, complied. Item number 88, CELDR 2017-0006, Jean Ronnie Silfort, complied. Item number 89, CEPFY 2017-00235, Janine Joseph, complied. Item number 90, CEPFY 2017-00103, Jerry Starks, complied. Item number 95, CEPFY 2017-00223, George L. Zuloga, complied. Item number 97, CEWWC 2017-00004, Jose L. Reyes, complied. Item number 103, CEBPR 2016-00149, Julio Torres, complied. Item number 104, CELBR 2017-0007, Lee Stacy, complied. Item number 105, CENUS 2017-00022. Leonard Jenkins, postponed. Item number 106 and item number 107, CEPFY 2017-00294. CEZPU 2017-00027. Lavelle Paltel, complied. Item number 108, CEPAR 2017-0003. Louis Craze, complied. Item number 109, CEMIS 2017-0029. Luke Rubin, complied. Item number 111, CEPFY 2017-00296. Looney St. Jor, complied. Item number 113, CEPFY 2017-00305. Manuel Carmel, complied. Item number 114, CEIVY 2017-0013. Margaret Balem, complied. Item number 115, CEJNK 2017-0044. Margaret Balem, complied. Item number 116, CEODS 2017-0058. Maurice St. Hilaire, complied. Item number 120, CEODS 2017-0030. Marie L. Pumpy, moved to 10 a.m. hearing. Item number 122, CEPFY 2017-00179. Marisol Mateo Ramirez, complied. Item number 123, CENUS 2017-0023. Marsha Elizabeth Spencer, postponed. Item number 124, CEPFY 2017-00290. Martin Boudin, complied. Item number 125, CEPFY 2017-00178. Maxine Saunders, complied. Item number 126, CEPPK 2017-0001. Maya Hassan, complied. Item number 127 and item number 128, CEIVY 2017-00107. And CEPFY 2017-00311. Melinda Forrest, complied. Item number 129, CEPFY 2017-00208. Michelle Charlemagne, complied. Item number 131, CEODS 2017-0033. Miguel Angel, complied. Item number 133, CEJNK 2016-00190. Mimos Anatua, complied. Item number 134, CEBPR 2017-0025. Miriam Mihago Perez, complied. Item number 136, CEPFY 2017-00188. Muriel James, complied. Item number 140 and item number 141, CEMIS 2017-0027. CEPFY 2017-00266. Nathan Gills, complied. Item number 142, CEPFY 2017-0020. Nixa Serrano, complied. Item number 143 and item number 144. CELBR 2017-0014 and CEPFY 2017-000286. Norita English, complied. Item number 145, CEJNK 2017-0020. Ofani Delamere, complied. Item number 146 and item number 147, CEGMS 2016-0018 and CEIVY 2017-0079. Ofer J. Marshall, postponed. Item number 148, CEPFY 2017-000169. Patrick Stevens, complied. Item number 149, CEIVY 2017-000100. Pierre Louis Celestine, complied. Item number 150, CEPFY 2017-00288. Pierre Louis Celestine, complied. Item number 152, CEBPR 2017-0056. Ricardo Oporto, complied. Item number 153, CEIVY 170012, Richard Walsh III, complied. Item number 155 and item number 156, CEODS 20170062 and CEPFY 20170061, Roland Elab, complied. Item number 158, CEPFY 2017000299, Rosa Leva, complied. Item number 159, CEPFY 20170039, Rosa Pache, complied. Item number 160, CEPFY 2017000236, Rosaline Pettingham, complied. Item number 161, CEEXP 20170058, Roy P. White, complied. Item number 162, CEJNK 2016-00192, Ruth Espejo, complied. Item number 163, CEBLR 2017-0015, Saint Vilmar Numa, complied. Item number 164, MHVIO 2016-00356, Sanford Richman, postponed, and MHVIO 20, item number 165, CEBPR 2017-0063, Santiago Benzi, postponed, and item number 167, CEMIS 2017-0028, Walter A. Coleman, complied. And that completes all for now.
Okay, please call the first case.
Item number 6, Officer Vidalyn Christie, customer Alba Luis Pena, case number CEBPR 2016-00126.
Good evening. Please state your full name and your relationship to the property.
Good night. Person, I am no.
Okay, just 1 second. We have a translator who will assist her.
Sí, muchas gracias. Mi nombre es Alba Peña.
Okay,
My name is Alba Peña.
okay, thank you.
Mi dirección.
My address,
14145 Northwest,
14145 Northwest,
5 Court,
5 Court,
North Miami 33168.
North Miami 33168.
Okay, thank you.
Gracias.
Good afternoon, Vidalyn Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami. This is a new case in regards to building of a rear overhang slash carport at the rear of the property.
En la parte de atrás de la propiedad.
An application for this permit was applied for back in December,
En
or I
diciembre
should
se
say
hizo una
November,
aplicación para permiso.
and as of today, there's still no permit.
Hasta hoy día no hay permiso todavía.
We have any photographs that we need to send
Yes, I
forward
do.
and show?
A ver si tiene fotografías. Ah, no, ¿Es su propiedad?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, do you understand the violation?
Señora, ¿entiende la violación?
Sí, claro que lo entiendo y estoy en la disposición de cooperar con todo lo que haya que hacer.
Yes, I understand the violation and I am able to cooperate and do whatever I can do to comply.
Okay. Have you applied for a permit? Have you
Uh,
submitted an application? Did you submit an application?
Yes, she has submitted the application, but since November of last year.
Ha solicitado el
She
permiso
submitted the application
en
since
noviembre del
November?
año pasado,
Of last
del
year.
año pasado.
Okay,
She's,
and
but it's all been denied.
it's been denied?
And
Ha sido negado, dice.
Do you have a date as to when she was notified that it was denied?
Tiene una fecha de cuando le notificaron que fue negado.
it was denied in December
En
6th.
diciembre 6 le negaron.
It was I guess the plans were signed back out in January.
Y los
In
planes fueron enviados
On
para
February
decir,
20th, it was denied again.
En febrero 2
Um,
no, 20 fue negado otra vez.
And again in May,
Y en
and
mayo
at the end of the
otra vez.
month, I guess May 25th, the plans were signed back out again.
En mayo 25 trató otra vez. Dice. Can
Do
I
you-
speak?
Can she? Of course.
Seguro.
Yes.
Yo presenté el permiso, me lo concedieron, inmediatamente recibí
I applied for a permit. It was approved, and immediately I started. Continue.
Inmediatamente recibí pues la carta del inspector,
I received a letter from the inspector.
vine acá
I came here.
y busqué el arquitecto,
¿Cómo es? And I looked for an architect
para que me hiciera el planito.
so the plan could be made.
Él hizo el primero, que es lo que la señora, el inspector, dice que fue rechazado.
Well, the first one, as the inspector said, it was denied.
Hicieron comentarios, el arquitecto del departamento de la ciudad,
Where comments were made by the architect of the city.
él trató de pues ponerse, hacerlo corregir
Well, he tried to correct it.
y luego lo envió
Then it was sent back again.
y le pusieron más comentarios.
More comments were made.
Él trató ahora en el último planito de hacer las correcciones que el ingeniero arquitecto del departamento
In the last,
hizo.
in the last applications, more corrections were made.
Que yo estoy en la mejor disposición de hacer lo que es un techito pequeño.
I am able to do whatever I can. We're talking about a small sort of roof.
Y que la finalidad fue para poner una lavadora y unos instrumentos de jardinería.
And the purpose was to install some sort of a washer machine and some gardening instruments.
Que tengo allí 24 años en mi propiedad
I've been living for 24 hours in the property.
y nunca he hecho
Years.
nada en years.
34 years.
¿Cuántos años dijo?
24.
24 years in the
Okay.
property.
¿Entendieron mal?
No lo sé.
I'm sorry. Y que nunca he hecho nada contra la ciudad de North Miami de hacer cosas sin permiso.
I never done anything against the city of North Miami without any permits.
All right. So, do you have anyone working with you on this project?
¿Alguna persona está trabajando con usted en este proyecto?
Sí, el arquitecto me ha quedado mal.
Well, the architect did not work out for me.
Yo confiaba en él.
I trusted him.
Bueno, le pagué para que hiciera todo lo que tenía que hacer y no me ha cumplido.
I paid him for all the work, but he has not done his work.
Es lo que parece.
Okay.
My name is Gary. We've been
Speak into the mic, please.
I'm a friend, Gary, and we came here to help her out, realizing that she doesn't know what's going on. We have a coworker who's been trying to assist her, who called the architect, who sent documents to her. Her mistake was she paid everything up front, and my friend spoke to the architect as of yesterday. He's faxed documents to her, saying that the city is asking for more corrections. They are in a process. All she wants to do is make it right. She doesn't understand what's going on. She was naive. She paid all the money up front. All she wants to do is fix it. So if you would allow to give her some time to correct it, all she wants to do is get it right. Whatever the city wants to do, she'll get it right. And this is somebody who doesn't understand what's going on. And this is why I'm here. And we're all here trying to help her, making sure that it's done right. She doesn't want to tear it down. It's done. The architect has all the documents. Paperwork was submitted to her. So if anything you can do, that's all we're asking for. Some time for it to get it right.
All right. It kills me how many times residents come here and give us and tell us how they've been taken advantage of general contractors, engineers, and just take people's money and
Muchas
run.
veces gente ha ha tomado ventaja de clientes, contratistas, y está diciendo la jueza.
And from what I understand, even the roofer is no longer in town. The roofer now moved to Texas. So whatever correction needs to be made, if the city requires some more corrections, then she needs to hire another roofer. If it's a roof violation, we don't know what the issue is. And as of Tuesday, the architect submitted the paperwork back to the city, from what I understand.
All right. You have to speak into the mic.
I spoke yesterday. I called and she was able to, she returned my call and I was able to explain to her a little bit about her situation. As of Tuesday, the architect was submitting some new papers, and according to what he's informed us, it's coming together, but I see I don't think anything's been received.
Not just yet.
No.
All right. Who's the city seeking?
Well, we have all the evidence to prove that there is a violation, possibly a verdict, and then time to make the necessary changes.
Your Honor, I believe that I'm looking on the City of North Miami's website right now, and I do see as of May 25th, May 24th, the city did turn over.
I'm looking at the City of North Miami's website, and I see as of May 24th, the city did return the plans with comments in them, as she mentioned. So at this time, the city would ask, as the officer said, for Your Honor to find a violation and then give her time to abate the issue.
All right. Yes.
Gracias.
I haven't ruled yet. Understanding your situation, I will adjudicate this matter. I do find that there is a violation, but I also see that you were trying to get the plans together and, hopefully get your after-the-fact permit. I'm going to allow you some time. I will reset this matter within 60 days. Because I want you to come back and see where we are. At that point, if we need to give you, extra time, I will do so. But I'll enter an adjudication, 60 days. I will do a daily fine amount of 50 because of what she's, dealing with. Obviously, it's not something she can do by herself. She's paid a contractor who's, I guess, dragging this work. So 60 days, ma'am. And if you need more time, stay in touch with the officer and let her know if the plans were submitted so she can follow up and see where we are, and she can give you more time if necessary. Otherwise, I will see you back here on, would that bring me to August 2nd? Huh? 60 days is September 5th? August 2nd. Okay?
Quick question, the fine begins when? Is it?
At the end of 60 days, if you guys don't show up,
Okay,
if I don't see progress,
thank you.
all right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Item number 27, Officer Ernst Baptiste, customer Bruce R. Fairbanks. Case number CEPFY 2017-00258.
Tell me again what page?
Item number 27.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Good evening, Madam Magistrate. My name is Bruce Fairbanks. My address is 335 Northeast 127th Street, North Miami, Florida, 33161.
Thank you, sir.
Ernst Baptiste, City North Miami, Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for car parking on the front lawn. I've been in contact with Mr. Fairbanks, explained to him the violation, what he needed to do to correct it. I posted the property on May the 20th, 2017, and today I passed by, car still parked on the front lawn.
Okay. I agree that there's a car parked in my driveway. I bought this house in 1979. The house is 90 years old, 1928. It's one of the oldest houses in North Miami. When I purchased it, there was a parking area in front of the garage and the front porch that was there. The roof is no longer there, but there's the front porch area and the driveway. I'm sorry, the garage. And it's always been maintained as a driveway. I respectfully disagree that my driveway is a lawn or a front yard. What constitutes a lawn or a front yard? It's the front of the house, I agree, but it's a driveway. It's always been a driveway. As a matter of fact, when the city came along and put an asphalt apron a few months ago, they put it in the front, in the middle. It's not. It in fact doesn't comply with what the city requires as a driveway approach. But I disagree that it's that's my front yard or lawn, the way that the code is written. No parking should be located on the lawn in the front yards of homes. That's not my front yard. That's my driveway. It's always been my driveway.
What's there now?
That's him.
No, no,
The
is that
material that-
gravel? What's
No, the
this?
material that's there is
Mulch.
At the moment, it's mulch. It was gravel. It's been gravel over the years, and I've supplemented it with mulch for a different effect. You know, I'm retired. I have a fixed income. Putting more gravel is even cost prohibitive. And putting an asphalt driveway, or I went to the city late last week and saw the what's allowed, or what's, pavers and concrete, and I've gotten some estimates, $6,000 or $7,000. It's not even in the realm of possibility in my income situation. But I talked to Ernst, and he said if there's been gravel there, you can put gravel back. So I've gotten some prices, and I'm trying to endeavor to get that now. With the rains and all that, it's going to be pretty interesting to get it laid down. But I'm willing to put the gravel and supplement it. But it's my driveway. It's not my front yard. My front yard is to the left of that blue car, and he'll agree with that.
Unfortunately, they have to disagree because the city defined driveway, what material that the driveway need to be consist of. It's either gravel, asphalt, or concrete, and that's a ordinance that was passed in 2009.
Yeah,
And they gave everyone that has gravel, they allowed to keep the gravel. Anyone that didn't have gravel after 2016, you're not allowed to have gravel. It's either concrete or asphalt.
So where does Mr. Fairbanks fall?
He falls on those people that has gravel before, that I'm gonna allow him to put the gravel back, since he's gonna cost him less to put gravel, so we can solve the issue.
Now, does that require a permit for the gravel, or do they just have the?
It
Move
doesn't require a permit. The only thing you have to do is maintain it so grass don't grow through it.
Gotcha. No problem. I'll do it. I do all my work myself. I'm pretty limited physically anymore, but I'll comply with Ernst. We have a good relationship, but I just disagree that my driveway is a lawn. You know, my girlfriend has a tendency, she comes home and she's driven up onto the front yard, and I think one day somebody saw that, and I got a violation, and I told her, I says, you can't park in front of my house. You have to park over by Presidente and walk over. You got to comply.
Okay.
I understand where your guys are coming from on it.
All right. Okay, so, do we give him 30
30
or
days.
60 days? 30 days?
30 days.
All right.
I need at least
I'll
60
do-
days because of the rain and then all that.
I'm gonna give him 30 days, and I'll visit them. If I see Mr. Bruce is doing some work, I'll extend it.
All right, so let me do an adjudication. Sir, I find that the violation does exist. But I will give you the 30 days, noting that if you need, an additional time, we'll revisit it then. Also, you can reach out to the officer and let him know where you are in the process.
He has my number.
So
Oh, yes.
I have adjudication,
It's on my
30
speed
days,
dial.
$50 per day.
This is after I don't comply.
Correct.
Once again, I want it on record. I disagree that this is a lawn or a yard.
Okay, sir. Got it.
I think any reasonable person can see that there's not a lawn or a yard. Okay, well, thank you, madam.
Thank you, Mr. Fairbanks. Have a good night.
Item number 31, Officer Monica Frederick, customer Christine Kings, case number CEGMP 2017-0025.
Repeat that one more time.
Item number 31.
Got it. Good
afternoon.
evening.
Good afternoon, Christine King, property owner of 12690 Northwest 10th Avenue, North Miami.
Thank you.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Frederick. Good evening, Magistrate. This case is for a general maintenance of properties violation. The property was first noticed on March 26, 2017. It was mailed a notice to appear for this hearing on May 19, 2017, and the property was posted for the notice to appear on May 22nd, 2017. I have pictures.
Okay.
Magistrate, the violation has been corrected. I have pictures on my phone. It was corrected today.
Okay.
I didn't have because it was corrected late this afternoon.
Okay, show it to the officer, and then if you want me to look at it, you can pass it forward.
I'd also like to state that I didn't get these notices. I have several times noticed the city that I'm the property owner. I do not live in the property, and to please forward all notices to my address, which hasn't happened. I've done it twice over the years, and I just got these notices last night.
All right. She can answer that question. I believe she's going to tell you that you have to make the changes through the county.
Yes,
Is that-
the City of North Miami goes by the address that's posted on Miami-Dade Property Appraisals page, and as the owner address, it is stated as the 12690 Northwest
Right.
10th Avenue.
Okay, I'm not gonna argue with that, and I did correct the violations, but I signed some paper in that building next door when this was an issue, and they said, okay, from now on, you will get the notices at such and such. They didn't say I had to go to Miami-Dade, because, you can be a property owner and not live in the property, which is
Your case.
is the case. I had a lien placed on the property because the tenants didn't provide me with the violation notice, and I didn't find out about it till there's a lien on the property. So I've come down to the city, I filled something out, I was there, and now I'm being cited for something that's very minor, but I don't have any knowledge of it. So if you just go by the property records for Miami-Dade County, you will always send notice to the property and not the property owner.
But, ma'am, we've had plenty of situations like that, and normally we'll just let the property owner know to just go ahead and switch it to on the property appraisal, and then we'll go ahead and do our part on our end.
Okay, I'm just telling you, staff did not advise me of that. Had they advised me of that, and I don't recall whatever it is I filled out, a document.
Was it in code?
In the code building. So, you know,
In addition to
normally
posting
change
the
them, so-
property, do we mail it out to?
Yes, we go
We
by.
mail it out to.
but you mail it to
which-
the property
which-
address.
The property address.
I can
Go
only
ahead.
go by what's on Miami-Dade.
Yeah, that's true.
If you could call 311 and try to change it, that would be best.
All right, is,
So
the code
since-
officer,
yes,
officer satisfied with the?
she's in compliance.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So I don't owe the $100 fee?
That's different.
That's a ticket. What's the date on there? You could appeal it if you like.
6/11
Yeah,
Oh,
she's
see.
still you can
Just
appeal
come
it.
by tomorrow to appeal it.
to appeal it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Come by where tomorrow?
The code office.
12330 Northeast 8th Avenue.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Sure.
welcome. Item number 35 and item number 36, Officer Monica Fedrick, customer Cosme, case number CEPFY 2017-00285,
Is anyone here in that case? Otherwise, we're passing it.
property address 1050 Northwest 133. And item number 36, CRCV 2017-0047.
Please state your name for the record.
Diga su nombre para el acta.
My name is Alexis Zulueta Cosme.
My
My
name is
address-
Alexis Lueta Cosme.
My address 1050 Northwest, 133 Street, North Miami, 33168.
Okay.
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Monica Fedrick. These two cases are new cases. One of them is for parking on the front lawn violation. The second is for a recreational vehicle parked at the property. The property was first noticed for both violations on April 26, 2017. It was mailed a certified notice to appear on May 19, 2017, and the property was posted on May 22nd, 2017. I have pictures for you already.
Okay.
¿Esta es su propiedad? ¿Su propiedad? Yes. ¿Es su carro? Hay un,
No es my phone.
hay un bote ahí.
Sí, un bote.
Yeah, there's a boat.
All right, is this for both vehicle?
It's for the truck, the boat, and the recreational vehicle.
Dice que está el
Okay.
bote, el camión,
You also had
todo
one
lo que
parking
han
on the front lawn.
Yes,
parqueados en el-
Where is it? Same,
that's the same.
okay. Is this the front or the side? I
Ese es
can't
el
tell.
frente o el
That's the
frente.
side of the house.
My
but
side. Not my
Go ahead.
phone.
It's not my front, it's my
In
side.
order for you to drive that way, that is, you're driving on the front lawn to get to the side.
So am I looking at the entryway here? Explain
Yes,
it.
that's the
This is-
entryway.
Sí, esta
Okay,
es la entrada.
No.
If he didn't have the boat and the RCV and he parked the car in the back, okay, then it would be fine. It would be beyond the property line. But you have the boat and the RCV.
Bueno, simplemente está hablando que usted tiene el bote y tiene ese vehículo recreacional también ahí.
all right. Sir, do you have any space behind the house? Where's behind the house? Is this,
Where the boat is, beyond the boat, that's behind the house.
okay.
Más atrás.
Do you have any room back there to park the boat?
Tiene un lugar detrás, ahí detrás para
In
parquear
order
el
for
bote.
him to properly store the
I do.
in order for him to
Okay.
properly store both recreational vehicles, they must be parked on paved material in the rear.
Ella dice para parquear los vehículos
So you can also
recreacionales
see the rear of the property from,
parqueados en
I
el
don't know
área
what's on this
pavimentada.
side. You get what I'm saying? So I
Okay.
can't dictate what's on the other side. But just the stipulations in the ordinance, in order for him to be able to store the recreational vehicles, it must be parked on paved material, and they are not parked on paved material.
let me look at this again. I thought 'Cause I remember we had a similar case last time, and
He tenido un caso
we
similar
told that gentleman that because he had a really big yard,
de un señor que
and
tenía
I think we told him if he parked behind the building where it wouldn't be visible to, passerbys and neighbors and what have you, that he could do that. So let me see if we're. Okay, location. You know what, I don't have the ordinance for recreational,
I'm looking it up for
vehicles.
you right now on Muni Code.
I see it's under 5-1405.
5-1405.
Mhm.
I don't have it. I have 1401. Okay. Can you read it back to me, please?
So the part that I think, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think she's alluding to is under chapter 21, section 5-1405. It discusses recreational vehicles, and it says under section B, must be on paved material on any lot or parcel of property within a single-family residential zone to the rear of and not closer than 2 feet of any side or rear lot. And then it goes on to talk about an exception for corner lots. Is that the section you're talking about?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to assume that it's not paved. The back of your property is not paved, correct?
Voy a asumir que la parte de atrás de su propiedad no está pavimentada, ¿correcto? No. It is not.
Okay, so the city ordinance requires that in order for you to keep the recreational vehicle
Vehículos
on your
recreacionales
property,
en la propiedad
it has to be stored on
tienen que
paved,
estar puestas
um,
en un área pavimentada,
driveway,
en una entrada pavimentada.
on the, even if it's behind the house,
Aun
even if
cuando
it's
sea
stored in the back,
Aun cuando esté detrás de la casa,
it still has to be paved.
tiene que ser aún en área pavimentada.
So, do you have to look for alternative parking
Usted
for
tiene
the
que-
boat and the, is it like a trailer? What is,
tiene que
not a
buscar
trailer, what's it
una
called?
cosa
RV?
alternativa para su bote y para ese
Is it an
vehículo
RV?
y para el RV.
You understand, sir?
¿Entiende?
Yo cuando me mudé a la ciudad de North Miami, yo miré en todas las áreas y vi parqueados botes y trailers. Yo pensé que yo podía tener mi trailer y mi bote en mi patio.
When I moved to the area of North Miami, I saw boats and trailers parked in the houses, and I thought that I could also park myself the same way.
Right.
Yo pensé que con eso yo no molestaba a nadie porque eso está en mi propiedad. Y
Because
es
I'm-
injusto de que yo tenga una propiedad tan grande y que tenga que pagar un parqueo para el bote y un parqueo para el trailer.
And I thought I was not bothering anyone, and it is not fair that I can park, that I have to pay parking for the boat and parking for the RV also at a different location.
I'll tell you. That's true. It's gonna be pretty expensive.
Dicen, pues,
But that's what the city ordinance requires, unfortunately, so I have to, follow the
desafortunadamente,
rules
esa es
and,
la ordenanza de
find
la ciudad.
in favor of the city.
Tengo que seguir las reglas.
find there is
Un
violation,
fallo es en favor de la sociedad, existe una violación,
I'm gonna give you 60 days
voy a darle 60 días
so that you can have an opportunity to look for alternative parking.
para que tengan la oportunidad de buscar un parqueo alternativo.
Okay, so I'll do an
Si le
adjudication,
echo- si le echo asfalto
60 days.
And how about,
por cemento.
how about if I pour asphalt or cement in the
He
area?
must pull a permit from the building and zoning department to be able to do so, but yes, concrete or asphalt is allowed.
Seguro, concreto y asfalto está permitido, pero tiene que conseguir un permiso para eso.
Ok.
Okay,
Okay,
all right, sir, I'll give you 60 days and then I'll also do, daily violation.
bueno,
I'll do 100.
voy a darle 60 días y después de los 60 días estoy aquí adjudicando una violación creo que de $100.
Los tickets que me pusieron, ¿qué hago con los tickets? Ella me puso 2 tickets.
I have 2 tickets. What do I do with those 2 tickets?
You either pay them or you file for an appeal.
Bueno, usted paga o si no puede presentar una apelación para esos tickets.
Y no solamente me puede dar 60 días, me puede dar un poquito más porque yo trabajo. Yo me voy de mi casa a las 5 de la mañana y llego todos los días a las 6 de la tarde.
Can I get more than 60 days because I leave my house at 5 in the morning and I come back at 6 p.m. to work.
Yo trabajo en Broward Correctional, reparando los carros de la policía de Sunrise.
Broward Correctional?
Y
I work at the Broward Correctional myself.
Okay.
Collision with vehicles.
All right, 90 days
Bueno, 90 días.
or 90 days?
Te doy 90 días.
para el asfalto.
For the asphalt, right?
Yes.
In the midst of the 90 days, he would just have to pull the permit. So if the 90 days would come up, as long as he has the permit that will allow him to start the work, it's fine.
Bueno, de todas formas tiene 90 días y en ese periodo de 90 días tiene tiempo para comenzar y teniendo el permiso ya es un paso.
All right, thank you, sir.
Bueno, gracias, señor.
Thank you.
Item number 56, Officer Crystal Cordell, Customer Enoch Barron, case number CEMIS 2017-00018.
Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
My name is Enoch Barron.
All right, sir.
My address is 1005 Northeast 145th Street, North Miami, Florida 33161.
Thank you.
Good evening, Officer Crystal Cordell, City of North Miami Code Compliance. We heard this case last month with regards to storage of vehicles in the rear of the property without being concealed from the public right-of-way. I went and visited the property today, and I did observe 3 vehicles parked in the rear. I also observed, it appears as though they put a green, I guess a green screen they attached to the wire fence in the rear of the property. I revisited the ordinance, and the ordinance only allows for 2 vehicles in the rear of the property. The ordinance doesn't specify anything with reference to paved area. I know we talked about that last hearing. However, 51701, I believe it is, doesn't talk about paved area. It just talks specifically about the concealment of vehicles from the public right-of-way in the rear property, 2 or more. I can see that they're trying. There was a lot of other vehicles there the last time I visited. There's only 3 today, but it's still in excess according to the ordinance. I mean, I'm okay with the screen. It's not the most attractive thing, but the ordinance it doesn't violate the ordinance, so I'm okay with the green screen. They still, however, because I can still see from the fence line,
We're talking about this wood side.
on 10th Avenue. Yeah,
The
you
street
guys
side?
have shrubs there, but you can still see through the fence. So because I can still see there's 3 vehicles there, technically you're still in violation.
Okay.
So in other words, if they go home right now and remove one vehicle, we wouldn't be here.
If they go home and they remove a vehicle, we wouldn't be here.
All right, young man, go remove a vehicle.
Our vehicle. I mean, it's all our cars, so we can't just take them and put them somewhere else.
Is there swale area? You can walk. I can see that you can walk like 10 blocks.
Actually, I have 2. I don't want them to park in the front of me because it's the time for me to move. I have my working vehicle and my church vehicle. So I just want them to park on the side. So when I have to go, I don't want no car.
Pops can walk about 5 blocks, but you can walk about, 15 blocks.
If we shield out the 10th Avenue area, is that okay?
The ordinance says that it must be completely concealed from public right-of-way. So if I can't see it, then I can't see it.
Okay, that's understandable.
All right, so use the same screen and then shield out the other side. Will be fine?
That sounds like it's in compliance. It would be in compliance.
Okay. All right.
All right, I'm giving you guys 30 days because it sounds simple to me. If we have to come back here again in 30 days, then, then at this point, then you are, just intentionally not complying. So I'm going to table it 30 days and do what the officer says, and then there won't be any issues. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Item number 91, Officer Monica Fedrick, customer Jerusalem, Josuhon Lubin. Oh.
All right.
Case number CODS 20170070.
What's the number now?
91.
91?
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer.
Just 1 second. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Tell me again your name.
I'm Marie Luben.
Thank you, Mary Luben. Do you need a
Address,
translator?
Address, man, 1225 Northwest, 133rd Street. Miami, Florida, 33167.
Okay. Do you need a translator?
What? I don't know why you say it.
Ma'am, your case is complied.
She's complied?
Yeah.
Okay. Ou metale ou fini?
Fini male?
Oui.
Ou mwen mette mde yo vite kon sa. Ou baka mande yon keksyon?
Hold on.
Ou baka mande yon
Danilo.
keksyon? I love you. Même kota, mwen depi 85, nan madem trop. Ou baga rim. Li bare, e baga malvoye Haiti. Baga raison pour le faire.
Ou pa dwe kembe afe yo an bagale yan.
Mwen pren kote ne ya, mwen vini mpata iti la, mwen vini malade. Se l'hôpital DMC, si mwen moute, li fel pi moute ankon. Depi 85 mwen katye, sa mwen tout li sou mwen la. Mwen kay mwen koule, nou pa kay an manjel, depi sou len nou pa ranjel. Sa pou nou fe, nou pa fe. Se mwen nou anmen.
E ben li fe men, mami.
Comprendre, mami. Ok. Oh my God, she is something else.
All right, item number 93, Officer Vidalin Christie, Jarrell Andre, case number CEIVY 20170059.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Your name?
My name is Joel Andre. My address is, my property address is 65 Northwest 124th Street,
Okay.
Miami, Florida 23168.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Vidal and Christie, Code Compliance, City of North Miami. This is a new case in regards to an inoperable car sitting on the side of the property. I have photos for the record.
All right.
Okay.
I see a driveway. What's going on here? Repair cover, damaged vehicle parked, stored at the property before the, okay, I see what you're saying. All right, sir, did you show him the picture?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
I do have a driveway, but no matter what, they don't have to park in the bad vehicle because I'm not even in there. I apologize, my voice is not too well.
that's no problem.
I'm
It's not
even-
even so much about the park, it's the
I-
fact that the car doesn't work. Is the car
I
damaged?
didn't see them yet. I just got here from Orlando. The traffic was bad because of the weather.
Mhm.
I don't even see it what's going on after leaving here. I'm gonna stop by to the house and to see what's going on.
Okay, so it's rental property?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you
to
don't
make
live.
them
Okay.
remove everything what is wrong right away before I get any violation.
Oh, well, we're already here. You're already in violation there.
Absolutely.
Okay. So the driveway can take how many cars?
It's a long driveway, but anyway, I don't want them to park many cars over there, no matter what. I give them one car, and that's it.
Okay. How many people you have living there?
A family.
One family?
Yes, ma'am.
Can the driveway hold 2 vehicles?
They can carry at least 2-3 vehicles, but not too many. I don't want too many.
All right. Officer, the driveway can take 3 vehicles?
Yes, the driveway can take at least 2 or 3 vehicles, plus they have like a paved area on the side, plus they have plenty of swale area.
So
Those
the
are
issue is
never the
really
place
where
where
they park. Okay.
They
And
go in
plus
the
we have
front
this-
yard or do something else that has a violation.
Okay. Plus there's the inoperable vehicle, right?
Yes.
Which is really why we're here.
Yes, and I spoke to the young lady at the property, and she just told me to go post the paper.
All right, sir. It looks like you got, a problem in your hands. So I do find that the violation exists. I find in favor of the city. I'll enter an adjudication. I'll give you 30 days. You're here, so I'm sure you're going to have a meeting with your tenants. If they're not in compliance by July 4th, you will incur a daily fine amount of $50 per day.
Thank you
Okay?
very much. I'm
Thank
going
you,
to
sir.
make them remove everything right away.
All right, sir. Have a good evening.
Thank you so much. And I am very proud of that. I love it to keep our city clean.
Clean and
Thank you
beautiful.
so much.
Wonderful.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'm coming outside.
Item number 110, Lucia Vincencio, Officer Crystal Cordo. Case number CEPOD 2017-0002.
All right. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Your name, please?
My name is Warren Edwards. I'm a tenant of Lucia Vincencio.
Okay. Tell me your name again?
Warren Edwards.
Edwards. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. Special Magistrate, this case was heard on, I think, last month with reference to a storage container in the rear of the property without a permit. From my understanding, the tenant has explained to me that the zoning department is unwilling to give him a permit for the container, so he has to remove it from the property. However, at the same time, he is in the process of moving altogether. We spoke this morning, he came, and I just told him to come in and put on the record, I'm gonna ask that we give another 30 days for him so that he can vacate the property and take his possessions with him.
Okay.
I would like 60 days
Huh?
60 days, I would like to move from,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, so you want to table it 60 days?
Yeah, we can, I guess we can table it for 60. 60 is fine.
All
But
right.
I mean,
It might be
yeah.
less, but 60.
I'm sorry?
It might be less than 60, I just needed 60 days so I can
Okay.
move as quick as possible.
All right. Okay, sir, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good evening.
Over the table. We can't do nothing for her.
Stay away from me, clerk.
Item number 112, Officer Monica Frederick. Customer Masi Dome Regner,